Instead of playing E major like this, try this. Now I'm going to start by deconstructing this E major 7 chord that everybody knows. If I take the root away on the 5th string, I'm going to have a first inversion minor triad, in this case G sharp minor. Now for this example, we're going for that Lydian sound, so E major is going to be the 4th chord in the key of B. That means this G sharp minor triad is the 6th chord, but with the bass on the 4th chord, 4th chord major 7. So with this information, I'm going to start by playing this single note line, root, to major 7, half step down, and then I'm going to go to this G sharp triad, right? Strings 2, 3, and 4, first inversion. Now for my next phrase, I'm going to keep going up the Lydian mode, right? Remember, the Lydian mode is no more than the major scale starting from the 4th note. So I'm going to go to this G sharp, that's the 3rd of E. I'm going to go to this F sharp, that's the 2nd of E, and I'm going to go to B, the 5th of E, and I'm going to have this. From here, I'm going to play some spread triads, and I'm going to grab this E major, first inversion as my reference point, and this D sharp minor, the 3rd chord, first inversion 2 as my reference point. Now, the only thing I'm going to do with these triads is bring the 2nd note an octave higher. So E major, first inversion, I got a B note on the middle. I'm going to bring it an octave higher to the 12th fret of the B string. And for D sharp minor, I got this A sharp as my middle note. I'm going to bring it a whole step up to the 11th fret of the B string. So I have this. So back to the funky groove, this is what I have. Then I'm going to play an octave for E. So I have 14th fret of the D string and 17th fret of the B string. Then I'm going to go to this chord, E major 7 here. I'm thinking about this root position triad, strings 2, 3, and 4. Whole step up of the 5th in the B string. It's the 6th, and another whole step up is going to be the major 7. So I'm going from this major 7, whole step down to the 6th, right? That is no more than a G sharp minor triad, but over E, I have an E major 6. So far I have this here. Now the idea is to return back to that 5th, right? So from that major 7 chord, whole step down to the 6th, whole step down to that 5th, right? Root position triad here now. Now we're playing over the Lydian mode here, right? So half step below the 5th is going to be that sharp 11, the special note of the mode. Then from here I'm going to go to the 7th chord, A sharp diminished. Again, over E, the 9, the root, and the sharp 11. And then I'm going to go a whole step down to the 6th chord, G sharp minor. And again, over E, I got a major 7 chord.